Welcome to our in-depth exploration of fuel pumps, the unsung heroes of a vehicle's fuel delivery system. In this comprehensive video, we'll take a deep dive into the inner workings of fuel pumps, understanding their crucial role in maintaining engine performance. We'll also explore the common causes of fuel pump failure and provide a detailed breakdown of the symptoms to watch out for. So, let's embark on this educational journey together. Understanding fuel pump functionality. Fuel pumps are the heart of a vehicle's fuel system, responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine with the right pressure and flow rate. Let's delve into the key components and processes involved. Electric fuel pumps. Most modern vehicles utilize electric fuel pumps, typically located inside the fuel tank. They are submerged in fuel, ensuring cooling and lubrication. Electric fuel pumps are powered by the vehicle's electrical system, controlled by the Engine Control Unit, ECU. Mechanical fuel pumps. Older vehicles, particularly those with carburetors, often feature mechanical fuel pumps. These pumps are usually driven by an eccentric cam on the engine's camshaft or a separate shaft driven by the engine's timing gears. They use mechanical motion to generate fuel pressure. Inlet and outlet ports. Fuel pumps have an inlet port to draw fuel from the tank and an outlet port to deliver fuel to the engine. These ports are equipped with filters to prevent contaminants, such as dirt and debris, from entering the fuel system. Fuel pump relay. Electric fuel pumps rely on a fuel pump relay, which receives signals from the ECU to control the pump's operation. The relay regulates the power supply to the fuel pump, ensuring proper fuel delivery based on engine demand. Pressure regulator. Fuel pumps maintain a constant fuel pressure by incorporating a pressure regulator. The regulator monitors the fuel pressure and adjusts it as needed to ensure the correct amount of fuel is delivered to the engine, regardless of variations in engine load or speed. Causes of fuel pump failure. Despite their essential role, fuel pumps can experience failures due to various factors. Let's examine the common causes in more detail. Wear and tear. Over time, the constant operation of a fuel pump can lead to mechanical wear, affecting its performance and reliability. Factors such as mileage, usage patterns, and the quality of fuel used can contribute to wear and tear. Contaminated fuel. Impurities, water, or debris in the fuel can damage the fuel pump. These contaminants can clog the fuel filters, impede fuel flow, and cause the pump to overwork or malfunction. Overheating. Electric fuel pumps rely on the surrounding fuel to dissipate heat. Running the vehicle with a consistently low fuel level or operating it in extremely hot conditions can cause the fuel pump to overheat. Overheating can lead to premature failure or a reduction in pump performance. Voltage problems. Fuel pumps rely on a stable and consistent voltage supply to function optimally. Irregular voltage supply, such as voltage spikes or low voltage, can strain the fuel pump motor, leading to overheating, reduced lifespan, or complete failure. Fuel additives and incorrect fuel types. The use of certain fuel additives or using fuel that is not compatible with the vehicle's requirements can damage the fuel pump or its components. Ethanol-blended fuels, for example, may require specific fuel pump adaptations to prevent damage. Symptoms of failing fuel pump. Recognizing the symptoms of a failing fuel pump is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair. Let's explore the common symptoms in detail. Engine misfire or hesitation. A failing fuel pump may not deliver the required amount of fuel to the engine consistently. This can result in engine misfires, hesitation, or a noticeable lack of power during acceleration. The engine may feel sluggish and struggle to respond to throttle input. Difficulty starting the engine. A fuel pump that is losing its efficiency may make it challenging to start the engine, particularly after the vehicle has been sitting for a while. You may experience extended cranking before the engine finally starts or even intermittent starting issues. C. Sudden stalling. A failing fuel pump can cause the engine to stall unexpectedly, especially during high-demand situations like accelerating or climbing uphill. The engine may lose power abruptly, leading to a sudden stall or even repeated stalling episodes while driving. D. Whining noise. As a fuel pump begins to wear out, it may produce a distinct whining or buzzing sound. This noise is often more noticeable when the fuel level in the tank is low or when the vehicle is idling. The whining noise can indicate that the fuel pump is struggling to maintain proper pressure or that the bearings within the pump are wearing out. E. Fuel odor. A leaking or damaged fuel pump can result in the smell of fuel both inside and outside the vehicle. The odor may be particularly noticeable near the fuel tank or in the engine compartment. A fuel leak should be addressed immediately, as it poses a fire hazard and can lead to fuel system inefficiency. F. Decreased fuel efficiency. A failing fuel pump may cause decreased fuel efficiency due to inadequate fuel delivery to the engine. You may notice a significant drop in the number of miles you can drive per gallon of fuel. This symptom is often accompanied by other signs such as engine hesitation or lack of power. G. Check engine light. In some cases, a failing fuel pump can trigger the check engine light, CEL, on the vehicle's dashboard. The CEL may indicate a fuel-related fault code, signaling a potential problem with the fuel pump or its associated components. It's important not to ignore the CEL and have the vehicle diagnosed by a professional. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and leave a comment.